Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a quiz on was, were, do, and did. Let's begin. Question 1. I dash go to school yesterday. The correct option is B. Didn't. I didn't go to school yesterday. Question 2. He dash very tired after the match. The correct option is D. Was. He was very tired after the match. Question 3. Where dash you yesterday afternoon? The correct option is A. Were. Where were you yesterday afternoon? Question 4. I dash my homework before dinner. The correct option is C. Did. I did my homework before dinner. Question 5. She dashed her work yesterday. The correct option is B. Did. She did her work yesterday. Question 6. They dash happy to see their old teacher. The correct option is D. Were. They were happy to see their old teacher. Question 7. Dash you finish your project on time? The correct option is A. Did. Did you finish your project on time? Question 8. I dash not know the answer. The correct option is C. Did. I did not know the answer. Question 9. We dash in the park yesterday. The correct option is C. Were. We were in the park yesterday. Question 10. He dash not understand the question. The correct option is B. Did. He did not understand the question. Question 11. She dash always help her friends. The correct option is D. Does. She does always help her friends. Question 12. I dash not feel well this morning. The correct option is A. Did. I did not feel well this morning. Question 13. He dashed the dishes after dinner. The correct option is B. Did. He did the dishes after dinner. Question 14. We dash our homework every day. The correct option is D. Do. We do our homework every day. Question 15. The movie dash really good. The correct option is A. Was. The movie was really good. Question 16. They dash late for class this morning. The correct option is B. Were. They were late for class this morning. Question 17. I dash not hear the doorbell. The correct option is D. Did. I did not hear the doorbell. Question 18. The students dash excited about the trip. The correct option is A. Were. The students were excited about the trip. Question 19. What dash you say to him? The correct option is B. Did. What did you say to him? Question 20. She dash very helpful during the meeting. The correct option is D. Was. She was very helpful during the meeting. Question 21. I dash my best but I couldn't win. The correct option is A. Did. I did my best but I couldn't win. Question 22. You dash right about the problem. The correct option is A. Were. You were right about the problem. Question 23. The teacher dash happy with our performance. The correct option is B. Was. The teacher was happy with our performance. Question 24. They dash all the work already. The correct option is D. Have done. They have done all the work already. Question 25. Dash, you enjoyed the picnic yesterday? The correct option is A. Did. Did you enjoy the picnic yesterday? That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.